Okay, we're going to start with our first item here. So I had a taste for some macadamia nut cookies. So I ended up getting these from Walmart. I like to get a smaller amount because if I have just the one serving, it doesn't tempt me to have more than I need to have a lot of times. So having a small amount like this is ideal. Next, on the side of snacks, we got the lemon cookies here. My husband wanted to get those instead of the Oreos this time, so he ended up getting those. Then my daughter, we got these lemon strawberry cream cookies for her because a lot of times she ends up eating my hubby's. So in order for her not to eat his, he decided to get her a pack of her own, 2 packs. Then I got some bagels. Hubby saw these. I was getting them for my baby girl, and so he decided that he wanted to get some too. So these are the cinnamon raisin swirl bagels. Now we did have a choice of getting another brand that was softer and it cost a little bit more, I think like $2 more. But with getting these here that are not as soft, like I said, they're $2 less, and they're smaller in quantity as well as, I would say not quantity, it's smaller in calories, I would say. These are 230, I think those were 250. And so anyway, we got these instead because they just cost less. We also ended up getting the plain ones for my daughter because she got those upside down. She wanted these, so we got those as well. Then we ended up getting the plain cream cheese. Then my daughter, she likes to have sardines, and so does my hubby, so we ended up getting sardines. Got 2 packs of those. Hubby likes to have these for work, so we got 2 packs of these little grape flavored crush, what do you call these? Mix. These are like the little drink mix packets, so we got these. Then to go with one of the meals for the week, we ended up getting these kielbasa sausages here, the Polish kielbasa sausages. And we also ended up getting for some meat, we got the lemon pepper wild caught pink salmon. These are really good. I usually like to pair these with some brown rice, which you guys will see in a second that we ended up getting those. Plus I like these too because they're convenient a lot of times, but yeah, I like mixing the 2 of those things together. Here are the brown rice packets that I mentioned earlier to go with the salmon. I like using these because they're convenient and they taste pretty good too, because any other time when I like to prepare brown rice, it just doesn't taste right. But having it in the packet, you know, you just cook it in the microwave for 90 seconds and it's good to go. And I usually like to have that with the lemon pepper salmon. And I got 3 packs of those. We needed some more gum, so we got the ice cube watermelon, or no, this is kiwi and watermelon flavor gum, so we got that. I believe my hubby wanted to take these for work. Then I had a taste for some apple cream parfait cups here, so I ended up getting those. We got the sausages here, the sausage, egg, and cheese croissant sandwiches. These are a lot better to me than just the, I think They are, I can't remember what they are. They might be bagels. I'm not sure. But I like the croissants better. Those taste pretty good. But a lot of time, hubby likes to take these for work. So we ended up getting these because we only had one that was left. Baby girl requested to get some peanuts. So we got the dry roasted peanuts for her. We needed some more butter. Well, not butter. We needed some more margarine, so we ended up getting that. We got some spinach in addition to the greens that we already have. This haul here is very small compared to what we normally do. A lot of this stuff we got is just add-ons to what we already have. So this is the reason why our haul is much smaller than normal. We needed some more toothpaste, so I got a pack of toothpaste, the Colgate kind. I really prefer the baking soda and peroxide, but hubby chose this and I wasn't with him, so he ended up getting the plain kind. Then I ended up getting some more of the thick and fluffy bagel style waffles. These are delicious. We kind of pretty much get these pretty much every week. If it's not these, then we get the French toast, but we have French toast already, so we ended up getting these waffles instead because we were totally out of those. Then I didn't need a lot of my honey bunches of oats. I usually like to get these on a weekly basis, but I didn't, like I said, didn't need a large amount because I already had some. So I just got the family size to add to what I already had. Got the Fruit Loops here for the kiddos because they like to have these. If not them, then hubby likes to have them. Every once in a while I'll have them, but for the most part, I don't really have these that much. These were a hit last week when we purchased them. The limited edition here, I think it is, of the strawberry milkshake cornflakes. They, you know, after a while, they tend to flavor your milk. And it does taste like strawberry milkshake for sure. And last but not least, we had to get something for the season, the pumpkin donuts, man. Now, when you remember something from last year, because that was the last time I ended up getting these, I normally don't like pumpkin things, but these donuts, the pumpkin flavor, oh yes, girl, bye. Yes, these are delicious. Make sure you try them. That is all that we ended up getting for our haul today. Now I'm going to show you guys the fetch rewards and let you guys see how much I spent. I think I only spent about $70-ish for the most part. We still do need to get some meat though, and it won't be much with that because like I said, we have a lot of things already, so these were just add-ons to what we already had. Alright, let's do our fetch rewards. Okay, like I told you guys, I only sent, start over. Between the cars outside and me not getting my words right, it's a problem. Alright, so like I told you guys, this is a small haul, so we only ended up spending $73.03 for this week. Now, next week will probably be a bigger haul, just like the week before was a larger haul, and I probably should have done the haul then. But anyway, I didn't, so here we are. And then I got stuff going on in the background. My family, you probably hear them doing all sorts of things. Sneezing, coughing, talking, everything. Yes. Alright, so let's see how many rewards we have here. Alright, let's see what our rewards are telling us today. You guys see that? You see what it is? It's 64 today, and mainly because of those donuts and the Colgate toothpaste. So that is the reason why I got the increase with points. Normally it's, like I said, 25 points per receipt. Last week I had like 500, but like I said, I didn't do the haul then. So today, 64 points for my haul. Yay! Every little point counts, you know? Thank you so much for being here today. If you like this type of content, I usually do cleaning, decluttering, and organizational type of videos. If you like that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again to Tiffany and Jessica. I will link their channels in the description box below, as well as the playlist. And I'll see you guys in the next one.